Welcome to our unforgettable journey of Chongqing, where modern city lights meet ancient natural wonders. From luxury stays to spicy eats, and from epic Karst landscapes to dazzling drone shows, this was a trip of a lifetime. Our journey began with a smooth 5-hour flight on Chongqing Airlines from Singapore. The service? Impressive. The flight? Super comfortable. We checked into the gorgeous Ascott Raffles city Chongqing, right in the heart of Kaohsiunmen, where the Yangtze and Zhejiang rivers meet. The view, the space, the convenience, it was perfect. Ascott Raffles City Chongqing is nestled in the iconic Raffles City complex developed by Singapore Capitaland. The lively Jifengbai CBD is within walking distance. We were surrounded by famous Chongqing sites like Kaohsiunmen Wharf, the Yangtze River Cableway, and the photogenic Hongyadong. It was already 9 p.m. and we were wondering what to eat. But surprise! The hotel served us warm porridge with preserved egg and olives. Simple, but so comforting. Next day, all about food. We hit Guanyinqiao Food Street, noisy, crowded, delicious. From bang-bang spicy chicken skewers to grilled oysters and scallops, Beijing duck roll to spicy dumplings. We couldn't stop eating. We also picked up some local specialties like Chongqing spicy hot pot soup base and special candies. Dinner? Of course, it had to be authentic Chongqing hot pot. We indulged in a rich, spicy hot pot at Peijia Chongqing hot pot washed down with sour plum soup and iced green plum wine. And just as we thought the night was over, we stumbled into the charming Chongqing drone show trial performance. With thousands of lights from landmark buildings like Raffles City, Grand Theater, Hongyadong, Kiansaman Bridge, and 5,000 drones lit up the sky of magical Chongqing City. It was surreal. Then came our most epic day, a visit to Wulong Tiankeng 3 Bridges. This World Heritage Site is out of this world, literally a Transformers 4 filming location. The hike? Long steps? So many. But totally worth it. And thank you to the sedan chair bearers who saved my legs. We descended 80 meters by transparent elevator and walked through the beautiful canyon, admiring 3 natural Karst stone bridges of Tianlong, Qinglong, and Heilong, each with its own majestic presence and ancient legends. After eating the famous tofu pork intestines fish, we rode a cute sightseeing train across the vast Fairy Mountain National Forest Park. It was pure serenity. Rolling mist, green hills, and alpine meadows, it really did feel like Switzerland in China. Nothing beats comfort food when you're worn out, and we found it at the Shaywan Wonton stall in Raffles City Square, serving dishes from an 84-year-old brand. Big bone clear soup wontons and braised beef noodles. We even squeezed in some KFC roast chicken and refreshing Chegi jasmine milk tea. A grand finale in Chongqing was the official premiere of the charming Chongqing drone show. A dazzling display of 5,000 drones lit up the sky with animations of Neza, blooming camellias, green banyan tree, ballet dancing on cable car, and iconic Chongqing city landmarks truly unforgettable. Charming Chongqing drone show themed moving mountain city poems of the Yangtze River now runs every Saturday, Sunday, and holiday. From the warmth of porridge to the grandeur of stone bridges, Chongqing gave us everything: flavor, culture, nature, and magic.